Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making Za'atar and rotisserie chicken and vegetables. So I have 7 russet potatoes that I am slicing and then cutting those slices in half and putting into the pot for the Instapot. Instapot's a pressure cooker pot. Here you can see the potatoes and the chicken underneath. Chicken, I lifted up the skin. I have chicken quarters. Lifted up the skin, put about 2 tablespoons of butter under the skin, and then put the seasoning blend mixed in with the celery. Here I'm putting in 2 cups of water, lifting up the chicken to make sure the water gets underneath. Then we're going to get green beans and diced tomatoes. I would rather these be fresh, but I didn't have any, so I'm using canned. So I'm rinsing them a couple of times with water to get excess sodium off. They're going right into the pot. And then when these are done, we are going to put the Instapot on the poultry setting, high pressure. And we're going to do it for 17 to 18 minutes, not 11. And we'll be back. Once that's done, you release the steam on the top. And here it is cooked. Very, very delicious. I'll put the recipe down below, and here is the seasoning blend that I used.